I'm gonna stick with the JPEGs from now on, and why don't I just do that? So I didn't really think about doing that earlier, although rotation 95 degrees of rotation. Nine to 5. I'm gonna put that back there. Size and position. There. No! So, yeah, this is starting to get pretty boring. Pretty sure at some point what I'm going to do is I am going to go and maybe get on some video games for you guys to watch. That might be slightly more interesting than this. Although I do hope that this was useful in and yeah, I hope this was useful. I hope this worked out for some people. It's still not working out for me quite just yet. It's gonna take a little bit of time. That may not be the version that I want. This may be it. So it's going on pretty good. That, just erase that. Put that back in while my computer is working. Control save, hit X, and then exit quickly in case something else happens. And I think I had made a daring escape, or maybe not. But here's some technical difficulties that, although normally may seem a little bit annoying, they do kind of make the assignment interesting. Okay, so I'm going to close that up, and I'm going to just open this up really quickly. And maybe that might not work. So what I'm going to do is go back here and possibly delete that section. I have a better idea. I'm going to end this stream just for now, guys. I'm going to share this program, send it to my other laptop. You know, it may seem a little bit weird that it's a good thing I backed these things up. To recap a couple things that that actually really helped me out this assignment, just in terms of formatting. This particular part of the assignment is an actual image, so this is a JPEG. This helped out quite a bit when trying to fit in this amount of information into this area. Over here, this is the new Excel, embedding the Excel format. That actually works really well. I think I'm just having a bit of a problem with the installation of my software. Maybe I may or may not have installed it. There may be some gaps, so I'm gonna give it a chance, but I'm gonna go play some video games, and I'll be back on, guys. And get my other laptop going, and yeah, should work anytime soon.